To add Wise as a payment method on Shopify, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to create a Wise account if you don't already have one. Go to the Wise website and sign up for an account by providing the required information and verifying your email address. Once you have a Wise account, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings section, click on Payment Providers and then click on Add Payment Provider. Search for Wise and click on it to add it as a payment provider. You will be redirected to the Wise website where you need to authorize Shopify to connect to your Wise account. Enter your Wise account credentials and click on Authorize to complete the connection. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Shopify admin panel. In the Payment Providers section, click on Wise and then click on Edit. Enter your Wise account details, including your account ID and API keys, and then click on Save. To test the Wise payment method, go to your Shopify store and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select Wise as the payment method. Enter your payment details and complete the payment process. It is essential to note that Wise may have transaction fees and currency conversion fees, so you need to factor these fees into your pricing strategy. Additionally, you need to ensure that you comply with Wise's terms and conditions and Shopify's payment provider policies. By following these steps, you can easily add Wise as a payment method on Shopify and start accepting payments from customers worldwide. This can help you expand your customer base and increase sales, especially if you sell products internationally.